When purchasing a used car, you often face an element of surprise. Every vehicle has its past, and it's almost inevitable that you'll encounter some unexpected traits. Whether it's a dashboard warning light that keeps you guessing or an engine noise that adds a quirky soundtrack to your drives. That's why being well informed is crucial before stepping into the used car market. Today, you'll uncover some of the most common hidden issues in used vehicles and learn how to avoid buying a car that could bring more surprises than you bargained for. One of the common issues found in used cars is engine overheating. This occurs when the engine temperature exceeds its optimal range, which can lead to damage to engine components and, in severe cases, total engine failure. Common causes include low coolant levels, malfunctioning thermostats, or worn water pumps. Fortunately, diagnosing overheating during a test drive isn't difficult. Simply take the car for a longer drive and monitor the temperature gauge for unusual fluctuations. Ignoring an overheating engine is risky, as repairs can be costly if not addressed promptly. Luckily, overheating presents several noticeable symptoms: a rising temperature gauge or dashboard warning light, steam or smoke emerging from under the hood, odd smells, often sweet or chemically, coming from the engine. Ticking, a loss of engine power can also occur. Coolant puddles beneath the car after parking. If any of these symptoms appear, it's best to stop driving immediately, shut off the engine, and seek a solution to avoid severe damage or even the risk of fire. Each type of transmission can fail in different ways. For instance, automatic transmissions might slip, while manual transmissions often have trouble shifting, which could be due to issues like a dragging clutch that makes gear changes difficult or impossible. It's critical to address transmission problems quickly, since repairs can be costly, and ignoring them can lead to safety risks. Some common signs of transmission trouble include unusual noises. Automatic transmissions may produce whining or clunking sounds, whereas manual systems could emit loud mechanical noises. Fluid leaks. A leak in transmission fluid disrupts the balance required for pressure and lubrication, signaling potential failure. Burning smell. Overheating or burning transmission fluid might produce a noticeable odor, which indicates the system is under strain. Grinding or shaking. Experiencing grinding or shaking during gear changes could suggest a significant transmission problem. Unexpected acceleration or deceleration. If your vehicle surges forward or slows down without pressing the gas pedal, transmission malfunction is a likely cause. Delayed gear shifts. A properly functioning transmission should switch gears smoothly. Delays or hesitation can indicate underlying issues. Check engine light. This light can illuminate for a variety of reasons, including transmission problems, as it's connected to the vehicle's diagnostics. The braking system plays a critical role in vehicle safety, with its components, particularly brake pads and rotors, being subject to significant wear due to continuous friction and heat. Over time, this wear can cause further deterioration across the braking system. Given that these parts are in constant use, especially during braking, it's not uncommon for them to become a focal point for issues in used cars. How to know when to replace them? For brake pads, a quick visual check, if your wheels have an open design, can give you a general idea of wear. However, since the inner pads are not visible without removing the wheel, a mechanic's inspection is often necessary. As for rotors, a key sign of wear is noticeable vibration in the steering wheel when braking. If you're noticing bumps and potholes more than usual, your shock absorbers and struts might be the issue. Over time, these components degrade due to factors like high mileage, poor road conditions, carrying heavy loads, aggressive driving, and even environmental wear. As a result, suspension problems are frequently found. Symptoms of worn shock absorbers and struts. If your car keeps bouncing after hitting a dip or bump, it's a sign the shocks or struts aren't doing their job. You might notice the vehicle becomes harder to control, particularly when taking corners or during quick maneuvers. During acceleration or braking, a worn suspension may cause the rear to squat or the front to dip more than normal. Clunking or rattling sounds from the suspension area can indicate loose or damaged components. Suspension problems can lead to instability, causing uneven tyre wear over time. Battery problems are a frequent concern in used vehicles, so it's important to inquire about the battery's condition when purchasing. In modern cars, a failing battery often triggers the dashboard's battery warning light. Most car batteries last around 5 to 6 years under optimal conditions, so it's crucial to know how old the battery is. Proper care, such as cleaning battery terminals and checking connections, can extend a battery's lifespan and reduce the likelihood of failure. In regions with very hot or cold weather, batteries may degrade faster, especially if the car hasn't been well maintained. Infrequent driving can cause the battery to lose charge over time, leading to sulfate buildup on the battery plates, which reduces its effectiveness. If the car's electrical system isn't working properly, it may prevent the battery from charging as it should, resulting in a shorter battery life. A catalytic converter plays a vital role in reducing the harmful pollutants released by a vehicle's exhaust system. It's a critical component that, if compromised, can lead to expensive repairs. Catalytic converters and diesel particulate filters, DPF, typically undergo a self-cleaning process called regeneration. This process involves the combustion of trapped particles at high temperatures, converting them into ash. However, when this system fails, it can lead to a clogged converter or DPF. When the catalytic converter becomes blocked, the trapped gases in the engine can overheat, negatively impacting engine performance and emissions. Key signs of a blocked catalytic converter include difficulty starting the engine and a noticeable drop in acceleration as the buildup of harmful gases hampers the combustion process. Additionally, the car's diagnostic system may trigger a check engine light or similar warnings, signaling the need for inspection. Using an OBD2 scanner can help identify if a blocked catalytic converter is the cause of any issues, providing insight before further damage occurs. While not directly affecting how a car functions, cosmetic flaws are still important to address as they can impact safety or create potential problems down the line. For instance, damage to the car's paint is a frequent issue and one of the most visible forms of exterior deterioration. While it might appear insignificant, it should not be overlooked. Minor paint issues may worsen over time due to factors like moisture or temperature fluctuations. Interior wear is another example, often providing clues about the vehicle's history. For example, if the steering wheel, pedals, or seat show excessive wear despite low mileage, it could suggest possible tampering with the odometer. Don't skip routine checkups. Regular car maintenance is a crucial ritual every car owner needs to make a part of their lives. It helps your car run smoothly regardless of its engine, transmission type, or age, and allows you to identify potential issues before it's too late.